As recent as March 17, 2016, this month, a group of scientists, including members from the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute, have discovered a new golden frog in Colombia, deep in the Andes Mountains. The tinier frogs that have bright colors are almost always poisonous, but in this case, because it is pale yellow, it is not poisonous. There are many amphibians found in Colombia that there is too much to count, so they estimate how many species that have been discovered. Some frogs may be as big as your hand, or even bigger. These frogs are not poisonous and are usually colored as their habitat to hide and trick predators, but the golden frog is too small and pale yellow that may hide on yellowish leaves to survive. Named after the members of the Smithsonian Tropical Institute, in Spanish is Pristamantis dorado. Dorado means golden in Spanish. Also named after the mythical city El Dorado, an ancient place where Spanish conquistadors searched for gold. Under the scientific name category, Pristamantis, this species is one of 205 different species in Colombia. But around the world, there have been 465 species of Pristamantis found in the world, including Colombia. The reason this frog is different is their hatchlings skip the tadpole phase completely and become tiny frogs. Many frogs, in general, mating call is by its vocal sac or vocal slits, but oddly, this frog does not have these features. This is a huge reason why it has become its own species, but because it is nature for animals to have mating calls, it has developed its own mating call, which they use their throat to create clicks to attract other frogs. This species has not been observed and experimented enough to find out when it has become its own species and how recent, or if it was developed millions of years ago but has not been found until now. Colombia's forest is too large that there are many species unknown and unseen by humans in general. Even so, there have been over 800 amphibians found in the Colombian forests. This new Colombian golden frog is just barely an inch long and was found at the side of a road. This shows that there are many more unknown species living in plain sight. Knowing that, Colombia is second in the world to have the largest amphibian diversity in the world after Brazil.